My bee sound box. Little bee had a box. I will find things that begin with my bee sound, she said. I will put them into my sound box. Little bee put on her bonnet and went for a walk. Little bee found a bird and a bird bath. Did she put the bird and the bird bath in the box? She did. Little bee found a bunny. Did she put the bunny into the box with the bird and the bird bath? She did. Then Little Bee heard a sound buzz. It was a bee. She put the bee into the box carefully. Next, she found a baby baboon in a tree. The baby baboon was eating a banana. I will put you into my box, said Little Bee. The box was so big she could hardly carry it. She found a bicycle with a basket on the back. She put the box into the basket and rode the bicycle over a big bump. The baby baboon, the bunny, and the bird bounced out of the box. And Little Bee bounced off the bicycle. That was a bad bump, she said. Then she saw a ball and a bat. Let's play ball, she said, and they did. The baby baboon hit the ball with the bat. The ball bounced into a bush. Something was behind the bush. It was a bear. He gave the ball to Little Bee. Thank you, bear, she said. She put the bear, the bush, and the ball into the box. She put the baby baboon, the bat, the bird bath, and the bunny back too. The bee said, "Buzz, buzz, this box might break." "I must find something bigger," said Little Bee. She rode her bicycle over a bridge. Under the bridge, she saw a boat, a big, big boat. She jumped into the boat and took the things out of the box. "This is big enough," she said. "Big enough for all of us." And it was. Little Bee's word list: baboon, ball, banana, basket, bat, bear, bee, bicycle, bird, bird bath, boat, bonnet, box, bridge, bump, bunny, bush, other words with little b. Bag, balloon, barn, basketball, bathtub, bed, bell, belt, bone, book, bottle, bow, brush, bug, butterfly,